This plant is extraordinary natural remedies for the kidney is called Buchu. Buchu is plant that is originated from South Africa and has been valued for centuries for its extraordinary helping properties. With two main species, the round leaf Buchu or Agotosma betulina or Barosma betulina and the oval leaf Buchu, Agotosma crenulata or Barosma crenulata, this powerful plant have many medicinal benefits. Both species share similar therapeutic properties and are known for their antiseptic, anti-rheumatic, anti-arthritic, digestive, diuretic, interstitial, tonic properties. This natural remedy we know for the many centuries right now is the one of the perfect plant for helping your kidneys and also with the urinary tract infection. The diuretic properties of Buchu encourage the removal of toxins such urine acid and excess salt from the body through increased urination. This helps the urinary system and the kidneys clean, preventing possible infections caused by those toxins. The antimicrobial and antibacterial properties of Buchu help fight digestive disorders caused by bacterial and microbial activity. It stimulates the secretion of digestive juices in the stomach, which further facilitates the digestive processes. The smell and the taste of the plant is described as a spice similar to black currant, but also reminiscent of a mixture of rosemary and peppermint. So these plants are originated from the South Africa. We in Europe know the first introduction of this plant in Europe was in 1790 in England. Buchu was first exported to the Britain in 1790. In 1821, it was listed in the British Pharmacopeia as a remedy for cystitis, urethritis, nephritis, and cataract of the bladder. The drug was included in American National Formulary as described as a diuretic and antiseptic. The antibacterial, antifungal, and antispasmodic properties of the Buchu make it an excellent remedy for menstrual pain and discomfort. Also, we know when you take Buchu each day, it's going to help you a lot with the control of the insulin in your body. This is especially perfect for preventing diabetes. Also, researchers have found that Buchu plant can help you a lot with the vagina health, also with the prostate health. This is all so very wonderful information. When you take Buchu as a plant, also they are rich in the essential oils, including menthol, camphor, and limonene, which have anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties and boost immunity. It is a natural remedy for inflammation of the intestines, feet, mucous membrane, sinus, also the swelling. You can buy this plant in the form of the tablets, powder, tinctures or teas in any serious health food store. Now I will recommend you one special tea. Buchu tea also is perfect to buy it in a healthy store or maybe on the internet healthy store, but there's a two plant that we can combine them together and it is going to be so perfect for your kidney health. One is Buchu, of course, and second one is the mint. Right now, I'm going to recommend you Buchu and the mint tea for the benefits, especially for the kidneys. Refreshing Buchu and the mint tea combines the healing properties of the Buchu with the refreshing taste of the mint. Here how to prepare it. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of dry Buchu leaves, 1 tablespoon of fresh mint leaves, 400 ml of boiling water, 1 small spoon of honey. Instruction: in 400 ml of boiling water, add 1 small spoonful of Buchu dry leaves of Buchu plant and add 1 small spoon of mint tea. Reduce the heat to a low level and let the buchu leaves and the meat tins cook gently in the water for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the tea is ready. Remove the pot from the heat. Use a fine strainer to strain the tea into the cup. After 10 minutes, add 1 small spoon of the honey and drink this tea for maybe 50 days in a row. After that, you must take the same period of the rest. Of course, this tea is going to help you a lot with the kidney problems, with the urinary tract infections, and much more in a very natural way. My dear followers, do you have any kind of suggestion how to help the sick kidneys in a very natural way? Please comment below. Thank you for following me. See you in the next video.